guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change Google Pay profile picture on your Android, or if you are using iPhone you can try the same method. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to open the Google Pay app on your device, and then in the top right side corner here you can get your profile picture. Just tap on it. Okay, and then scroll down and find out the settings. From here in the settings, go to personal info like this, and here you can get your profile picture. Just tap on that pencil edit button like this, and then before changing here it will saying once you change your profile picture it will be visible to everyone across Google services. So once you change the Google profile picture in Google Pay, the profile picture will change across the Google services like Gmail app, or if you are logging your Google account in Google Photos app, everywhere. Okay, so remember this thing. So if you want to change it, here you can get two options: take photo and choose from your phone. If you want to take live photo, you can select take photo option. If you want to select it from your phone gallery, you need to select the second option from here. Just select your profile picture and save it. That's it. Okay, so this is the way to change the Google Pay profile picture. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.